Hey guys, Thunder E here, and you guys know I don't do a lot of unboxings on this channel, but I had to do one on this because this is the limited edition Star Wars Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and it has a lot of cool stuff in it, so let's check it out. Okay, jumping in. Looks really nice, black. I like the theme in here. Oh, this is nice. Says, I will show you the dark side. Nice cracked Kylo Ren helmet. Open this bad boy up. Ooh. Okay, we've got stars. It says Star Wars, The Rise of Skywalker. We've got our case here for the Note 10 Plus. Black case, Star Wars. Etched, nice. It feels like leather, I would say. Got this kind of like soft velvety interior, which is pretty cool. What else do we have here? Probably, yep, sim tools, all that fun stuff. And then we've got the plaque. This is a commemorative plaque for this. I like it. Nice weight to it though. Pretty cool. Another, of course, side view of Kylo Ren, this cracked helmet. Okay, and then we've got the drawer right here. Oh, this is cool. Look at that. Boom. We've got Galaxy Buds and we've got the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Okay, let's take a closer look at the Galaxy Buds. This is, of course, special edition. Okay, so we've got our accessories right here, all in black. We've got a black case. See if there's anything special. Oh, nice red interior, black case. Of course, your Galaxy Buds. They look like standard Galaxy Buds in general, black, but I do like the case. I like that black and red, really just stands out. Looks pretty good. All right, so we've got our Note 10 Plus. We're gonna open this up. Can't wait to see this. Opening up. Boom. Look at that. Just look at this. Look at this. You've got red for the buttons right here. Looks really nice. And it says Star Wars. You've got, of course, the etching logo, Samsung. I like the red detail right around the camera ring. That's pretty nice. And of course, we know the S Pen is red. Look at that. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I like it. I like it a lot. What else do we have in the packaging here? Just before we go ahead and power it up and see the wallpaper. We've got, of course, 25-watt charger, AKG, and yeah, standard stuff that we expect in this device, but this is looking pretty cool. Let's turn it on. All right, we have our Galaxy Note 10 Plus Star Wars Edition set up. The theme is called Dark Side RC theme. As you can see, it looks really nice. Comes with this wallpaper and many more wallpapers. There's also some nice sound effects. When you download, you kind of get like that lightsaber sound. We'll get to the sounds in a second. But just showing you some of the extra wallpapers that we go into here. We see view all, scroll through. You've got Kylo, you've got Stormtrooper helmet, you've got a few others here. You've got this other Kylo shot right there, which is nice. We can change that. That's also a dope one. And then we've got this one. I do like this. Of just the 3 stormtroopers chilling, all red. I just like this theme, and the accents goes really well. The icons also change. You can see contacts there. There's, of course, stormtroopers, the gallery. Nice theming around, even going all the way to your settings. Now, you can't go into dark mode with this theme. That's something to just take note. But again, I like the match. You can see just the red accents of the buttons on the side. You go to sounds, vibrations, notification sound defaults. We've got the That's the lightsaber sound I was talking about. Typical Samsung one, but we'll keep this for now. Really nice flow. I dig it. I dig it. Oh, did you hear that? That's pretty cool. I didn't even realize that. Let's go ahead, skip. Put it back in. Ooh, hear that again? Put it back in. This is probably one of the few times I would like to leave this device, the volume on. I usually put my devices on silent, but I definitely like what they've done here with the sounds. Boom, that's pretty cool. I like this. I like the color accents around the device, from the buttons all around the camera ring. I love the red S Pen. I think they've done a lot to appease fans of Star Wars. I only wish there was a more limited edition offerings, like a Darth Vader one, or a Han Solo, or Luke Skywalker, or Princess Leia one. Like, those are the ones that I would love to see as well. But this is a cool way to do a tie-in. So if you have any questions or any comments, guys, let me know. Leave your thoughts down below. Otherwise, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and always enjoy your entertainment.